Today, I'm diving into the world of keyless entry with the replacement key fob for Honda's Civic EX C Hybrid 2006 to 2013 and Acura MDX 2007 to 2013. Let's talk quality first. This key fob isn't just your run-of-the-mill gadget. It's been rigorously tested by professional locksmiths before shipping, so you can trust it to work seamlessly right out of the box. Now, let's get into compatibility. This 4-button key fob is designed to work with FCC ID N5FS0084A and N5FA05TA, as well as IC 3248AS0084A. Double-checking compatibility is always wise, but if you're driving a Honda Civic EX C Hybrid from 2006 to 2013 or an Acura MDX from 2007 to 2013, you're good to go. Installation? Easy peasy. The key fob comes pre-installed with the battery and electronics, so all you need to do is program it to your vehicle. Keep in mind, though, that programming requires a qualified locksmith or a dealership. And if you've got a push-start button vehicle, this one won't do the trick. The packaging includes one head ignition key fob, complete with electronics and battery pre-installed. It's ready to program straight out of the box. Overall, I'm impressed with the Meccan Magic replacement key fob. It's ergonomic, feels solid in hand, and offers a convenient solution for keyless entry. If you're in need of a reliable replacement for your Honda Civic or Acura MDX, this one gets a thumbs up from me. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.